99% of the adult population have a simultaneous fear of criticism and rejection. These two fears cause you to self-sabotage and cause you to settle for results far below your potential.
And this is brown salt.
From Afghanistan?
Yeah, from Afghanistan. And this is incense for burning for room for church, you know, good smelling have.
What's the difference between the colours?
This is the color, but this is the natural, you know.
Yep, it's beautiful. In 2016, I started a new business. In order to succeed, just like all business people, I had to learn to sell to survive. Using emotional intelligence techniques, I was able to overcome my own fears. And as a result, I grew a global business and acquired more than 1,000 new clients in the first 3 years. If you have a fear of criticism or a fear of rejection, then you'll never be able to sell enough to survive. To learn how to make more money in less time, visit my website www.danieltolson.com.